Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself and my name is Mutiara Firda Rusdiana from Diploma Marketing Management major from D3 MP 41210 class. Here I want to presentation about my final project entitled the influence of perception of tourism quality on the tourist decision to visit Bandung. The discussion that I will discuss in this presentation about five projects. Number 1, about background research. Number 2, research theory. Number 3, research method. Number 4, research result. And number 5, conclusion and solution. Number 1, about background research. Bandung is metropolitan city as well as a capital city in the province of West Java with a majority ethnic Sundanese population. Flower City, Bandung was chosen as one of the favorite tourist destinations in the Asian region. The results were obtained from an independent survey of domestic and foreign tourists on the social network site Facebook. In recent years, the number of tourists in Indonesia has experienced very rapid development when compared to the previous year. This is marked by the number of the large tours in Indonesia, including the city of Bandung, which continues to develop tourists in order to attract tourists to visit the city of Bandung. This is certainly very beneficial for the institution that collaborate in the tour. If tourism in the city of Bandung is considered good, then tourists will also have the possibility to visit Bandung again. The perception of tourists about the quality of tourism is a big role in terms of the process of visiting or purchasing. If tourists don't have a perception, it is unlikely that tourists will visit the place. And number 2, about formulation of the problem. And number 1, what is the perception of the quality of tourists in the city of Bandung? Number 2, what are the tourist buying decisions in Bandung? And number 3, how much influence does the perception of tourism quality have on the decision to visit tourists in the city of Bandung? And about research theory, according to the American Marketing Association in Kotler and Kettler states that marketing is the activity set of institution and process for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offering that have value for customer, clients, partner, and society at large. According to Acker in Kurniawan 2017, the perception of quality is the perception of consumer of the overall quality or excellence of a product or service that is the same as the intended intention. According to Peter and Olson in Simanjuntak 2018, consumer decision making is an integration process used to combine the knowledge of evaluating two or more alternative behavior and choosing one of them. The decision to visit tourists in this study in a concept that is equated be purchase decision. And about research framework in perceived quality have a 7 dimension about perceived quality. Number 1, performance, feature, conformance, reliability, durability, serviceability, and fit and finish. And about purchasing decision have a 5 dimension about purchasing decision. Number 1, problem recognition, information research, evaluating alternative, purchase decision, post-purchase behavior. Research method use about research approach, quantitative, research objective, descriptive, method of collecting data, literature study, interview, observation, questionnaire, reliability using Cron-based APAT technique, sampling technique, non-probability sampling, descriptive analysis, simple regression analysis. There are 4 characteristics of respondents. Number 1, about gender, can be seen that 121 respondents consisting of 54% respondents were female and 46% respondents are female. It is seen that the number of male tourists is greater than female tourists. Number 2, age, can be seen from this diagram. That 22% of respondents aged 70 to 20 years, 65% of respondents aged 21 to 25 years, 7% of respondents aged 26 for 29 years, and 6% of respondents aged over 30 years. Number 3, the work can be seen from this diagram that there are 65% students, 23% as employees, 8% as entrepreneur, and 4% as civil servants. Next, monthly income can be seen this diagram that there are 5% or no more than 1,500,000 rupiah per month. 26% or no or 1,600,000 rupiah per month. 2,500,000 rupiah per month. 22% 2,600,000 rupiah to 3,500,000 rupiah per month, and 5% or more than 3,500,000 rupiah per month. Test for the variable perceived quality. The result of processing the validity test on 14 statements of the perceived quality variable X are valid because in the table R recount is greater than R table. For the reliability test statement, all dimensions are considered reliable because the Kron-based alpha value of 0.762 is greater than 0.6. Next, the result of the research I used. The validity test and reliability test for visiting decision variable Y. The result of processing the validity test of all statements in 10 statements of the visit decision variable Y is valid because the value of R count is greater than R table. For the reliability test statement on all dimensions are considered reliable because the Kron-based alpha value of 0.775 is greater than 0.6. Next, a research result about descriptive analysis. The continuum line of the perceived quality variable X has an average of 76.38%, which is indicated by the row in the continuum line, which means the perceived quality variable is rated good for respondent, which means that the perception of the quality for tourism is appropriate or good with what is expected by respondents, for example, in terms of tourism management or in terms of comfort from respondent or tourists. Next, the decision to visit the dependent variable Y can be seen from the continuum line of the tourist visiting variable having an average of 76.02 0.02%, which is indicated by the arrow in the continuum line, which means the variable tourist visits decision included in the category of good. For respondents, which means that decision to visit tourists in the city Bandung became one of the respondents' decision to vacation in the city of Bandung. And then about result classic assumption test. Next, the classic assumption test. Here I use the normality test, one sample Kolmogorov Smirnov, and the test about heterokedasitas by looking at scatter plot charts. Kolmogorov-Smirnov normality test result obtains ACMS sig of 0.200 is greater than 0.05, means that the data are normally distributed. Next, research result simple regression analysis. The content value A in the regression line is 1.018. This means that if the variable x is worth 0, then the variable y is worth 1.018. Regression coefficients B of 0.711. This means that the addition of 1% of variable x quality perception is predicated to increase the variable y by 0.711 or by 71.1%. The simplest in the regression equation above shows that the direction of the influence of purchasing decision and quality of perception variables has a positive relationship. And then result confidence of determinant. R square in this study is 0.776 or 77.6%, which means the perceived quality variable affect our visiting decision variable by 77%, while the remaining 22.4% is influenced by other variable not examined by author. Next, about research result. About UGT. About values from T count of 2 to 0.319 or greater than table 197623. The significant value generated in this table shows a figure of 0.00 or a coefficient of smaller value with a probability value of 0.05. So it can be considered that H1 is rejected and H0 is expected. So there is relationship or influence of the quality perception variable to the visit decision variable Y in Bandung City tourists. And about conclusion. 1. Response to the variable tourism quality perception X are in the good category, which is 76.338%. 2. Response to the variable visit decision of Bandung City tourists are in the good category, which is 78.2%. 3. Based on the analysis of 121 respondents obtained a simple linear regression equation, namely y equals 1.018 plus 0.711x. For the coefficient of determination is 0.776, which shows that the effect of tourism quality perception simultaneously on the visiting decision of Bandung City is 77.6%, while the remaining 22.4% is influenced by other factors not examined by the authors. 5. Based on the result of the t-test on this study, raises the decision H0 is accepted because the cone is greater than t-table, which means there is an influence between in the quality perception of the tourist decision visiting city of Bandung. Solution. And the last about solution. Based on the result of research conducted on the overall tourism quality perception variable, the lowest score in the 8th item, namely hours of travel closure, is accordance with the time listed on the website, which a score of 67.11% of respondents are tourists. Based on this result, it is expected that ferry tour in the city of Bandung always update operation hours closing hours on the website. And 2. Based on the result of research conducted on the visit decision variable, the low score is 19 items, namely I choose the city of Bandung as the main destination while on vacation, with a score 66.94% of respondent tourists. Based on this result, it is expected that the Culture and Tourism Office or parties involved in tourism development will make improvement in every tour in the city of Bandung, so that tourists are interested in making the city of Bandung a major destination for a vacation. And the last, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.